Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use blue color. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw C. We again use blue color. C for cow. Now we draw D. Kids, the next one is E. Now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is G. G for gorilla. Kids, now we draw H. H for hand. The next one is I for ice cream. Now we draw J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is O. O for octopus. P for parrot. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we use the color of green. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Green color. Now we draw T. The next one is U. V for van. The next one is W. Now we draw X. X for Xmas tree. Now we draw Y and the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Kids, the next one is numbers. We again use green color. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E 1. The next one is 2. Green color. Now we draw 3. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R. Now we draw 5. F-I-V-E 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X 6. Now we draw 7. And the next one is 8. Now we draw 9. N-I-N-E 9. And the last one is 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.